Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A06. So here is my phone, Galaxy A06, and if you want to take a screenshot on this phone we have two ways. The first one and the easy one is to press together volume down and the power button like this. It is very easy, and here is the screenshot, and you can open it with gallery or photos, and from here you can edit, share it or delete it. So it is very easy. And the second way, for that you don't need the buttons, but you need to go to the top bar, and here just tap on the edit button, tap on full edit. And here we have the take screenshot button, and just push it long and move it here like this, then tap done and exit. And now if you go again to the top bar, here we have the button take screenshot, just tap on it and we have a screenshot. So it is very easy. And if you push it long on this button like this, from here you can enable or disable some features. You can disable show toolbar after capturing. You can enable delete after sharing, hide status and navigation bar. Here is the navigation bar, save original screenshot. You can change the format from JPG to PNG, or you can change the location where to save the screenshots. Okay. Also on this phone we can take a long screenshot on scrolling screenshot. For that I will go on the web browser, and here I will go to GSM Arena Galaxy A06. Okay, and here are the specifications for this phone. Okay, and if you want to take a long screenshot with these specifications, you can do it. You need to press together volume down and power like this, and now just tap here on this little button to cover all the page. Okay, like this, and you can stop whenever you want. Okay, and here is my screenshot, and it will be automatically saved in the gallery area. And here there is the long screenshot or scrolling screenshot, and you can read the specifications for this phone. Okay, so this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.